Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to bold text in Google Docs. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So in order to bold text, all you have to do is just highlight over whatever text you want to bold, and then you can select the B icon up at the top here in the toolbar. This is bold when you hover over it. Alternatively, you can also tap the Control and B key on your keyboard at the same time as well if you want to make the selected text bold. And it would work the exact same in the opposite. If you want to unbold the text, you can either click on the B icon again, or you can just tap Control B on your keyboard to make it regular non-bolded text. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.